the 11 most nutrition-dense foods on the planet. In this video, counting down the 11 foods that pack the biggest nutritional punch. If you are interested, please like this video and subscribe us and get ready to take your nutrition game to the next level. Salmon. Listen up, folks, not all fish are created equal. If you want to get the most bang for your buck in the terms of nutrition, then you gotta go for fatty fish like salmon. These bad boys contain the most omega-3 fatty acids, which are crucial for your body to function at its best. Studies have shown that people who regularly eat fatty fish have a lower risk of heart disease, dementia, depression, and other common health conditions. Kale. If you're looking for a leafy green that's the king of the castle, then you gotta go for kale. This bad boy is packed with all kinds of good stuff, like vitamins, minerals, fiber, antioxidants, and other bioactive compounds. Kale is one of the most nutrition-dense veggies out there. It's got a ton of vitamins, minerals, and potentially cancer-fighting compounds. Seaweed. Seaweed is even more nutritious than veggies that grow on land. It's jam-packed with minerals like calcium, iron, magnesium, and manganese. But here's the real kicker. Seaweed's got tons of iodine, which your body needs to make thyroid hormones. So don't forget about sea veggies, y'all. They're seriously nutritious and can do wonders for your health, especially when it comes to thyroid function. Garlic. Garlic is seriously amazing. It's not just a flavorful addition to your meals, but also packed with nutrition. It's loaded with vitamin C, B1 and B6, as well as calcium, potassium, copper, manganese, and selenium can help lower blood pressure, reduce total and LDL bad cholesterol, and raise HDL good cholesterol. This could lower the risk of heart disease in the long run. Some studies even suggest that people who eat a lot of garlic have lower risk of certain cancers, especially colon and stomach cancer. Shellfish. Commonly eaten type of shellfish includes clam, oysters, scallops, and mussels. They're also rich in vitamin C, various B vitamins, potassium, selenium, and iron. Potatoes. Potatoes are packed with all kinds of good stuff like potassium, magnesium, iron, copper, and manganese. Plus, they've got some vitamin C and most of the B vitamins thrown in there too. Liver. This bad boy's got tons of functions that keep your body running smooth. One of his jobs is to stash essential nutrients for when you need them later. So don't be shy about getting some liver on your plate, folks. It's tasty and nutritious. Sardines. Yo, have you tried sardines? They're these little fish that are oily, but you can eat them whole. And get this, the best part is that they're packed with nutrients. They're loaded with those omega-3 fatty acids that keep your heart healthy. Blueberries. They're like the superheroes of the fruit world, man. They may not have as many vitamins and minerals as veggies, but they're loaded with antioxidants that can pack a serious punch. These little berries are loaded with all sorts of plant compounds, like anthocyanins, that can even protect your brain by crossing the blood-brain barrier. And get this, studies have shown that blueberries can actually improve your memory and lower your blood pressure, especially for those with metabolic syndrome. Plus, they can even help fight cancer. Egg yolks. Egg yolks are actually one of the best foods you can eat. They're like nature's multivitamin packed with all sorts of vitamins, minerals, and nutrition that your body craves. Plus, they've got antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin that can even protect your eyes. And get this, eggs can even help with weight loss. They're cheap, easy to make, and delicious. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate with high cocoa content is actually one of the healthiest things you can snack on. It's loaded with all sorts of good stuff like fiber, iron, magnesium, copper, and manganese, but the real superstar here is the antioxidants. Studies have shown that eating dark chocolate can improve blood flow, lower blood pressure, and even boost brain function. These types of foods are called nutrition dense, and they include things like veggies, fruit, seafood, cocoa, eggs, and liver. By filling your plate with these foods, you can get all the good stuff your body needs. So, start adding some of these foods to your meals today and watch your health improve.